We move that this major error of decision of the administration of the CCP be come to a good resolution by the withdrawal of this exhibit. We would like to propose that the artists apologize to the offended parties, which are the majority of the Filipinos.
Wishes to express our collective indignation and protest in the strongest terms the utter lack of sensitivity of the Cultural Center of the Philippines in allowing up to this date an exhibition that includes works very offensive against Christians, especially Catholics. The exhibition of a blasphemous collection of what we consider as trash, masquerading as art, is a clear abuse of the so-called artistic license.
Other countries, in their cultural centers, they put up the best of their heritage, the treasures. They take good care of them. Young people, talk about them. Let us talk about our treasures. And one of our treasures, yung hindi ka nananakit. Hindi ka nananakit. Nagpapagaling ka. Healing. Hindi nananakit. Hindi nagdi-divide. Tama na tayo sa ganun. Magkaisa tayo at tayo mababasbasan. Kung ano man ang iyong pinaniniwalaan na Panginoon, babasbasan ang gawang mabubuti. And I am appealing to CCP. Go by the vision. Go by the mission. Please.
I think the issue here principally belongs to the Cultural Center of the Philippines. You, Madam, ladies and gentlemen of the board, you are given a responsibility by the people of the Philippines. You are funded by our tax pesos. Your mission is to help propagate culture. And I think that in this case, perhaps you may have misjudged. Because this is not the propagation of culture that is in consonance or in conciliation with true Filipino values.
By your very statement earlier, Karen, you said the CCP will hold exhibits that are not prejudicial to the sensitivities of society. I think it's quite clear from this outpouring of sentiment and emotion that you have violated that very charter of the CCP. Now, as for those of you who believe otherwise, that this is art, when it's in fact graffiti, if you look around, all of these are beautiful works of other artists, religious artists, who have captured the beautiful countenance of Jesus Christ, of Mama Mary, of the Holy Family. They did not create anything new, but what they did was they took those beautiful works of art by other artists. The best form of religious expression is religious art. And he has vandalized, he has committed sacrilege at the highest degree. That is not art. But for those of you who believe that is art, please understand, we are not mad at you. All of us here, your co-Filipinos, your countrymates, we do not condemn the sinner. We condemn the sin, but we love the sinner as Jesus taught us.
It is not the idea that it is impossible to consider things outside of just one mode of acceptance. That we should look at art. That it is not, there are things which are unacceptable to us but are in the heart of other culture. And we can take it away from it, we can neglect it, we can ignore it. But we must, I think, for the sake of civilization, allow ourselves to live side by side with this abiding tolerance.
Of all the controversial issues, this is probably the least controversial. We have the RH bill, we have divorce, and the recent surveys have shown that majority of Catholics disagree with what the CBCP is saying. And I guess it's hard, it's a challenge for
Don't
the...
attack the CBCP.
Misinformation.
No attack against the CBCP. Walang attack. Don't attack the CBCP.
Dali lang po. Dali lang po.
No name calling.
No name calling.
It's your name.
Usapan natin walang name calling ha. Huwag rin kayong magtuturuan mag-name call ha.
Yeah, last time I checked, CBCT is not a derogatory term.
Okay.
I'm not trying to insult anyone. I just like to remind everyone that we live in a democratic country. That might be hard to wrap around. That idea might be hard to wrap around for someone who's used to a theocracy, where everyone is supposed to adhere to a certain mindset at the threat of damnation. But we are a democracy, and everyone's rights should be equally respected, especially the fundamental human rights of freedom of expression.
If people do not like this art piece, I think it's art because it served its purpose to awaken our senses. It made us think. It made us think of what we stand, what we believe in. Number one, if this artwork was not controversial or it wasn't exposed in TV, none of you will be here. None of you will be aware of this. And this has raised awareness. And why would we stop it now?
Not everybody's experience of the Catholic Church and its doctrines or its policies are pleasant ones, especially not the Philippines. Diba? I mean, our history with the Catholic Church, to say the least, was not pleasant. And in that regard, I think it is properly placed here in the cultural center of the Philippines, where we must reflect on that history of colonization, of abuses of power in the name of religion.
I don't want to answer questions whether this is art or not. I don't care about art. But there is a message to that. It is the message that counts most here for me. These are the new challenge that we have faced, the new generation. The new challenge of our times, so what we have to do now after these issues. These are concerns of morality, concerns of corruption, concerns of prostitution, concerns of peace and order, concerns of economy, concerns of the government. These are all about us, and this is about our future.
Did he really mean to attack or insult the Catholic religion? Because no matter how strong the images are, the surface, the use of condoms and such, what is the meaning of his art? Is there freedom of expression that is punishable by law? If there is none, what is Medeo's mistake? The Catholic Church, which has been reigning over the country with a strong voice over many matters in this country, is it right for the Church to have an influence on which artworks to exhibit or not? Because Filipinos are not all Catholics, and those images are not Christ, not God to everybody in this country. Is an objective of an artwork limited to make people feel good? Or can art also provoke or make people think? What exactly are the consequences of Medeo's art except offending the devout Catholics? Yun lang po yung mga tanong.